Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
You have to do well in the coming 6 games, get the maximum point out of it. It's a difficult game. It's going to be difficult in every game which is coming ahead of us, and we need to prepare ourselves the way how we have been preparing since the starting of the ISL. So it's a normal game, and I know it's going to be difficult, and we need to play as a team together, and each and individual performing collectively will give you a good result. So we've been preparing well after the last game, and hopefully we'll try to get the maximum point out of it.
We need to enter tomorrow in the pitch and show that the team wants to get the 3 points. At the moment you can't, and now we are in this moment that obviously or you win the game, or finally you will fight for the 3rd, 4th, 5th position. That's all. It's clear the situation.